Once reserved for palaces and castles, today's chandeliers can be found in even the most modest homes. They function as more than just a light source. Chandeliers can be the illuminating centerpieces of traditional rooms, or give modern rooms an eclectic twist. Either way, a crystal chandelier is always elegant and timeless. This chandelier is quite a showstopper. It stretches more than 3 feet high and wide, with 24 elegant arms. It's decorated with clear and red crystal and a gilded hurricane shade over each light. To make the crystal, they melt silica sand in a furnace, along with lead, potash, and several other ingredients. The materials combine to make crystal heavier and more sparkling than glass. To make each chandelier arm, a crystal blower gathers some molten crystal on the end of his blowpipe, then shapes the arm with a series of blocks and molds. He makes a channel down the middle for the arm's electrical wiring. Next, 2 master crystal blowers work together to pull and twist the crystal into the arm's rope-like design. This maneuver requires tremendous expertise. To achieve the correct diameter, these craftsmen must stretch the crystal exactly right. Next, they put it in a chandelier arm mold and snip off the excess on both ends. They blow cold air to solidify the crystal. Another craftsman inspects the chandelier arm, checking the shape, measurements, and channel for the electrical wiring. Next, a pair of craftsmen make the bowl-shaped bottom of the chandelier. Using traditional techniques, they place molten crystal in a mold, then place the mold in a press. The crystal chandelier parts are cooled down in an oven. The gradual decrease in temperature slowly releases tension in the crystal. This prevents cracking. Straight out of the furnace, the crystal is 2280 degrees. It continues to be pliable until it reaches about 1202 degrees. It cools rapidly, so as the craftsmen work, they must regularly reheat the crystal in a smaller furnace. The freshly molded crystal tends to have a rough surface, so they use heat from a blowtorch to smooth it out. These holders support the hurricane shades on the arms. This company produces its signature shade of red crystal by adding 24-karat gold powder to the raw materials in the furnace. The color emerges after the molded piece is reheated in an oven to just over 1000 degrees. A crystal blower makes the hurricane shade.